Is your Tesla app failing to stay connected in the background on your Android or iPhone? You're not alone. The core problem lies in how mobile operating systems manage battery optimization and app permissions. Both Android and iOS aggressively restrict apps from running continuously in the background to save battery life and protect user privacy. This directly impacts the Tesla app's ability to provide real-time updates, send notifications like lock, unlock alerts, and execute remote commands. The app relies on constant connectivity to your vehicle via Bluetooth Wi-Fi, and if the OS kills these background processes, you'll experience issues. Android uses doze mode to conserve battery by restricting background activities when your device's screen is off. This prevents apps from constantly syncing or running processes, which can drain power quickly. Adaptive battery takes this further by analyzing your app habits. It may reduce performance for apps you don't use often, potentially delaying notifications or background tasks. To keep the Tesla app running reliably, whitelist it from battery optimizations. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Tesla, go to Battery, and choose Unrestricted or Don't Optimize. This ensures the app can continue background tasks. Keep in mind that exact menu options can differ depending on your Android version, currently 15, and your device manufacturer like Samsung Galaxy S25. If you skip this step, you might miss important alerts or experience delays in app commands. iOS also restricts background activity to preserve battery. To enable background refresh for the Tesla app, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Make sure the master toggle is on and that Tesla is also enabled in the list of apps. Additionally, check Settings, Battery, and ensure low power mode is disabled, as this feature further limits background processes. After major iOS updates, like iOS 18.2, these settings sometimes revert to default, so it's essential to double-check them. The Tesla app needs specific permissions to work properly in the background. These include location access for features like Summon and Smart Summon, battery optimization exemption, and notification permissions for security alerts. Without these permissions, the app may not send updates or allow remote features. Let's see how to grant them on Android and iOS. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, find Tesla, then Permissions. Set location to allow all the time and check battery settings. On iOS, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and set Tesla to Always Allow. Also enable notifications. Make sure to grant all these permissions to ensure the Tesla app functions correctly in the background. Let's examine real-world examples of Tesla app background issues. In the iOS 18.2 update, many users reported missing lock and unlock notifications after the update. According to user forums, re-enabling background app refresh for the Tesla app resulted in a 70% drop in missed alerts. For Samsung Galaxy S25 users, those with adaptive battery enabled faced intermittent remote features. Tesla's support data indicated an 85% reduction in app failures after disabling battery optimization for the Tesla app in Android settings. These examples clearly show that operating system updates and battery-saving modes are frequently the root cause of Tesla app background operation problems. Experts recommend a proactive approach. First, always ensure you're running the latest version of the Tesla app. Tesla frequently releases updates that address background syncing issues. Second, restart your phone periodically, as this can clear out any lingering background processes that might be interfering with the app. Third, avoid using third-party battery saver apps, as these often conflict with the Tesla app's background operation. Finally, if you're still experiencing issues, try reinstalling the Tesla app, which can resolve corrupted data or configuration problems. While whitelisting the Tesla app for background operation is crucial, it's essential to monitor its battery usage to ensure optimal performance. Under normal circumstances, the Tesla app should consume less than 1% of your battery per hour when running in the background. This low usage ensures the app can stay connected without significantly impacting your device's battery life. If you notice significantly higher battery usage, such as 5% or more per hour, it could indicate a problem with the app or your phone's settings that needs attention. Check the app's battery usage statistics in your phone's settings to identify any unusual activity. Both Android and iOS provide detailed battery reports that show app consumption over time. If the app is constantly polling servers or using GPS in the background, it could be draining your battery unnecessarily. These activities, while important for vehicle connectivity, should be optimized. In such cases, consider adjusting the app's settings to reduce background activity. This might include limiting location updates or adjusting refresh frequencies to balance functionality with battery efficiency. The trend of mobile operating systems becoming more aggressive with background app management is likely to continue. However, Tesla is exploring ways to reduce its reliance on mobile backgrounds, such as integrating more cloud-based processing and edge computing. Tesla is integrating more cloud-based processing and edge computing to reduce reliance on mobile backgrounds. Future OS updates may introduce adaptive permissions, allowing apps to request dynamic access based on context, which could streamline the process for Tesla. Privacy laws may force Tesla to redesign the app for less invasive background use, potentially shifting to web-based interfaces or push-only notifications. Keep an eye out for these developments, as they could significantly improve the Tesla app's background reliability in the long run.